Okay, finally, I have something to share with you guys. I got the epic opportunity to design some custom motocross boots for legend Tyler Bereman, and finally his Redbull piece has come out, and the Apple iPhone spot, shot on iPhone spot, has come out, and it is so sick to finally see his whole entire project come together. And just the fact that I got to have like a tiny creative piece in this insanely long planned vision of his to come out on Red Bull and Apple is unreal. And that's just such a cool thing as an artist, is when you get to see your artwork in action on someone else doing what they're passionate about at such a high level. So Tyler, thank you so much for letting me create these epic boots for you guys. But I want to share with you guys the video that just came out from Apple and Red Bull, and I also want to share some BTS from creating these. What an epic thing. Thanks, Tyler. Check this out, guys.
Preparation. Across 6 islands.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Something like this has never been done.
Action.
Shut your mouth!